No, this is exactly what I wanted.
Nakakuha ka na ba ng bagong investor para dun sa kumpanya mo?
Well, not yet. But it's fine.
Kaya nung hindi ka nakapag-exam nung third year ka dahil kinulang ka ng pang-tuition.
Why are you asking all of these weird questions? I thought you wanted to relax today.
Nagtatanong lang naman kasi ako, anak, dahil di ba pinaghirapan mo yan eh. Baka naman meron kang pwedeng mahirap.
Mom, please stop. Let's just relax, okay? And enjoy your lunch.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Please.